oats omelette, I'm taking 3 teaspoons of rolled oats. You can also use instant oats. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of milk at room temperature. This is just to soften the oats for the omelette. Leave this for about 5 minutes. Let's make the omelette now. For this, crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Season it with some salt and pepper. To this, I'm going to add a few vegetables, starting with some finely chopped onions, some finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped capsicum, finely grated carrots, finely chopped de-seeded tomatoes. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. You can add the vegetables according to your preference. You can see the oats has absorbed all the milk. It's become nice and soft. Now I'm going to add the oats to the egg mixture. Mix everything well. I'm using a whisk to mix all the ingredients, but you can use a spatula if you don't have the whisk. So take a nice wide pan, pour some oil. I'm using olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use a refined oil. Pour the egg and oats mixture onto the pan. Close the lid and let it cook for about 7 minutes on low flame. Now the omelette is cooked on one side. Remove the lid and gently flip it over to the other. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. The omelette is done. Serve it hot. For the frittata, I'm taking 6 eggs. Add some salt, freshly crushed pepper, just going to add 1 tablespoon of milk. Whisk the eggs for a few minutes. So take a pan. I'm going to make the frittata now. First I'm going to saute the vegetables. Take 1 tablespoon of butter. You can either use olive oil or regular cooking oil. Butter gives a nice flavor, so I'm using butter. First I'm going to add a few cloves of garlic that have been finely chopped. Next, add 1 large onion that's been finely chopped. Once the onions are transparent, add 1 small capsicum chopped. Add 1 red capsicum, small, chopped. A few mushrooms sliced. So I'm using these vegetables for this frittata, but you can use any other vegetables of your choice while making the frittata. Season it with a little salt, freshly crushed pepper. Next, add a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now, this is optional. If you don't have, don't worry about it. And a teaspoon of chili flakes. Keep the flame to a low and pour the egg mixture. Make sure you cook this on low flame close the pan and cook till it's completely done. So the egg frittata is done. I'm going to turn off the stove. You can see it's all cooked through. You can serve it hot immediately. You can enjoy this egg frittata as is. You don't need any accompaniments to go with. You can use a variety of vegetables or meats while making the egg frittata. First, I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. I'm just going to add chopped onion, green chilies, half a tomato de-seeded and chopped, and 1 piece green bell pepper or capsicum. Just adding a little salt, a little pepper. Just mix everything. Just mix it all in. Take a nice saucepan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Spread it evenly onto the pan. Once the pan is hot, just gently pour in the eggs. Close the lid and let it cook for a few minutes. Keep the flame on low while doing that. Flip it over to make sure it's cooked on both sides. Finally, add the grated cheese. Keep it for about 30 seconds and remove it off. There you have this very simple and delicious vegetable cheese omelette. You can make this for your Sunday breakfast and enjoy with your family. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.